We had just 3 days to explore Kyoto, Nara, and Osaka. Come along with us to see how we went about our trip. We traveled from Tokyo to Kyoto on the Shinkansen, Japan's bullet train. We first checked into our hotel Hyatt Place, which had the typical Japanese small-sized rooms. We went to eat dinner and ate okonomiyaki, which is a savory Japanese pancake. This was a dish that I've craved since my last trip to Japan, since I haven't been able to find this at any Japanese restaurants back in the US. Gion Shirakawa is considered one of the most picturesque spots in Kyoto. It was beautiful seeing the cherry blossoms here at dusk, especially set against the reflections on the water. We took a stroll along Shirakawa Canal Road, seeing the traditional wooden houses, restaurants, and tea houses. On our first full day, we spent our morning exploring Higashiyama district and taking family portraits in that area with a professional photographer. The photos are a nice way for us to finally look back and remember our Kyoto trip. The Osaka Shrine is one of the most famous shrines in Kyoto. It just so happened that there was a wedding there that day, so we got to see the beginning of a traditional Japanese wedding. At the end of the morning, we took a 1-hour train ride to Nara. When we arrived, we had lunch at Higashimuki Shopping Street and ate udon noodles at this restaurant. This mochi shop's claim to fame is their dramatic high-speed mochi pounding process. It was so magical strolling through Nara Deer Park, being alongside the over 1,000 deer living here. cute seeing these deer seemingly abiding by the traffic rules while crossing the road. We ate dinner at Tokatsu Ganko restaurant before taking the train back to Kyoto. That was where we learned about Kurobuta pork. Kurobuta is a heritage pork that is known for its quality and flavor, considered the pork equivalent of Wagyu beef. The next day, we took a day trip to Osaka, which was a 1-hour train ride from Kyoto. It was raining that day, so we modified our plans to minimize getting wet. We spent the day shopping in Dotonbori. It was a fun, lively vibe at nighttime, with all of the lit-up large signs, including the iconic Running Man sign. On our final morning in Kyoto, we walked to Nishiki Market from our hotel, which is Kyoto's most famous market spanning 400 years where you can try various Kyoto delicacies. We thought it was so neat that Wendy's, the chain restaurant, sold boba drinks here, which we obviously had to get with our love for boba. By afternoon, we were back on the Shinkansen to our next destination. We got to see a view of Mount Fuji on the train. Stay tuned for our next Japan adventure.